everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the Mashelembe'S story update. Today it's the 3rd of October. It's a second provincial baby shower kaMashelembe planned by Misa Ndelu. It was supposed to be at Botanic Garden in Durban, but due to abantu abaningi who want to attend, indawo ishintshiwe isizoba eThekwini Community Church ebandleni lika Pastor uVus Dube. Mashelembe guys will never forget this day. She was spoiled with a lot of things, including the full body massage, nail treatment, a new hairstyle, and other activities. Mashelembe has been through a lot at a young age. She is a mother of 3, grade 8 dropout, married to 4 cows at the age of 16. But they will share her full story today. Ngemvumo yakhe nomndeni wakhe. Her baby shower will be live on Facebook from 12 p.m. Kulama page alandelayo Misa Ndelu and Igcina Umlando TV, both on Facebook and on YouTube. Please search Igcina Umlando TV. Mamkhulu Macele from Uthando Nesthembu will be also there. This is not Mashelembe's testimony, but it's for all of us. God has proved ukuthi He is God. He sometimes uses our pain to crown us. Adeke itafula phambi kwezitha sidle zisibuka. Yo guys, let me end this video here. I will be back with the rest. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.